Greetings fellow programmers. Are you tired of always having to calculate the speed at which the changed frames in the video is moving at a given time so that you can change the speed accordingly? No? Today I will show you a simple program I created. This program removes lag from a video. Not laggy video, but lag from the video. Here is an example. This is the original video. And this is the processed video. As you can see, it removed the duplicate frames. This may seem simple, but it is a lot harder than you think. Here is how this basic program works. There are 3 parts to this program: extraction, analyzation, and finalization. You can choose which ones to do, because remember, this program removes lag from a video. Not laggy video, but lag from the video. In extraction, every single frame is extracted from the input video. If your video is 60 frames per second and is 1 second long, how many frames are in that video? Then the program would extract 60 frames from it. Each frame is labeled with its frame number. In analyzation, each frame is compared to the frame after it to see if it should be deleted. But there is a problem. Comparing a high quality image to another image pixel by pixel takes a lot of CPU resources, and no 2 frames in a video is ever the same due to compression. After all, this program removes lag from a video. Not laggy video, but lag from the video. To fix this, I hashed the image into a string. Then I compare the amount of changes between strings. So basically I'm detecting how many and how much of a change needs to occur between frames to identify if it has a duplicate. If it is a duplicate, it is deleted. And finally, I finally get to talk about finalization. In this step, all the leftover frames are exported in order into a video. Just in case you were not listening, this program removes lag from a video. Not laggy video, but this program may seem perfect, but keep in mind I created this in a short amount of time. This program has some problems that can probably be fixed with some more development. For example, if there are no moving objects in a video, it will think that part of the video is lagging. The program cannot tell apart duplicate frames if there is too much noise in the video. If you want to try out the program, I will link the code in the description. Feel free to improve the code, edit the code, and post the code. But please give me some credit if you do. Thank you for watching.